WeatherTech side window deflectors are made of a strong and flexible polycarbonate with ultra-thin flanges that are designed to slip into the window channels. Before installing, make sure the window and window channel are completely clean and dry. Wrap a paper towel around the flat end of the provided red installation tool and sweep it through the window channel, cleaning it of dirt and debris. It is very important that the front end of the front window deflector flange slides forward into the window channel, ensuring the bottom edge rests in between the inner and outer window sill. With the front end in position, bow the deflector down into the window channel and slide upward to seat the deflector. Next, run the flat end of the installation tool between the weather strip and the deflector to ensure it's positioned correctly. Slowly roll up the window in small increments until it's fully closed. Repeat the process on the other side, and your WeatherTech side window deflectors are installed.